Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. Today, we travel to the heart of Europe's Western Balkans to Albania, where history is being rewritten with technology. In a world first, Albania has appointed an artificial intelligence system named Diala as a cabinet minister. Announced by Prime Minister Edi Rama, Diala now leads the Ministry for Public Procurement, a department central to government spending and contracts. Why is this moment so extraordinary? Because for the first time, an AI, not a human, is responsible for overseeing public tenders worth millions of euros. Its mission, to stamp out corruption and guarantee full transparency in how public money is spent. A digital revolution in governance. Integrated into the government's e-Albania portal, Diala represents the nation's ambitious drive towards digital transformation. Its algorithms analyze data, evaluate bids, and select the most efficient and compliant proposals without bias or favoritism. Diala, which means son in Albanian, was originally a virtual assistant helping citizens complete government paperwork. Today, it stands at the forefront of Albania's efforts to meet European Union standards of good governance, as the country aims for EU membership by 2030. Supporters hail it as a visionary step towards a corruption-free administration, an innovation that could inspire countries worldwide. Promise and challenge. Yet, this leap into AI-led governance also raises serious questions. Who holds an AI minister accountable if it makes an error? What happens if its algorithms are compromised or misused? Critics warn that while Diala removes human bias, it could also create a black box of decisions hidden from public scrutiny. Others see it as more symbolic than practical, a move to impress rather than reform. A watchful world. Still, Albania's experiment has captured global attention. From Estonia to Africa, governments are watching closely as Diala begins its ministerial duties. Will an AI succeed where humans have struggled for decades? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, Albania has taken a daring step into the future of governance. That brings us to the end of this article. Here, you learnt. Albania appointed Diala, the world's first AI minister. The system oversees public procurement to eliminate corruption. The move signals Albania's push for EU integration and digital reform. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV for more inspiring global stories.